When I was growing up, I wasn't very engaged with my Māoritanga, but when I started university, I really started to explore that side of my identity. So I began to engage with the Ngāi Tahu program. I was supported to gain some summer work placements, which was really helpful because I got to get a taste of life as a lawyer, as well as building connections within the industry. Working with mentors early on in your career is really important because you're stepping into a completely new environment. So I've had some amazing mentors within Ngāi Tahu. Having a tuakana there to help you with the hard mahi, like applications, writing CVs, interviews, but also just there to have a kōrero with or to guide you if you're a little unsure about your direction. My mentors helped me work out what I actually wanted to do with my career and then help set out a pathway for how to achieve those goals. I truly do not believe I'd be here today without those mentors. So I was admitted to the bar last December and I'm now working as a solicitor at Simpson Gresson in Christchurch. So through my work experience, I was really able to find an awesome firm that fits well with who I am and that supports all of my goals, both personal and professional. I would say to Ngāi Tahu rangatahi, Karawhiua e hoa mā, make the most of these amazing opportunities that we have. Mō tātou, mō ka uri a muri ake nei. We need more Ngāi Tahu whānau in these spaces and we have the capabilities and the resources to make that happen.